I'm Dr. S.K.S. Marya, orthopedic surgeon with the Max Healthcare Group. When the content of minerals like calcium is reduced in the bone matrix, it gradually leads to a condition called osteopenia, and when it worsens, it is called osteoporosis. Initially, one must remember osteoporosis can be primary or it could be secondary. Primary osteoporosis happens with age, when the laying down of bone becomes slower than the removal of bone. There is a continuous turnover of the minerals in the bone, and when this process is reversed, one starts getting the condition called osteoporosis. So primary osteoporosis is a natural age-related phenomena, and secondary osteoporosis can be due to diseases, it can be due to intake of steroids, and in both the cases it's a similar situation, and the treatment can be in various ways. Initially, there are intake of tablets with calcium. The myth that only calcium is enough is not okay. One must take something like alendronate tablets, which are usually taken every week, and these tablets help to lay down the calcium in the bones. Next step is injectables, which can be taken on monthly basis, on 6-monthly basis, and there are so-called bisphosphonates, and there are injectables which are given on daily basis, which can or may need to go on for a year up to 2 years. But in any of these situations, they must be stopped at 2 years, because at that stage the bone starts becoming brittle. So it is advisable not to panic when you hear of osteoporosis.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.